Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you viewers? How are you friends? I hope all the viewers are good, will be fine. May Allah bless you. In this video friends, I am sharing you latest and amazing collections and different pretty styles, ideas. So keep enjoying my unique videos starting to end and connected with me. In this video friends, I am sharing you latest and beautiful amazing pretty styles ideas. So friends, keep enjoying my unique and different latest prettiest collections. So keep enjoying my unique and best and unique style embroidery collection. So keep enjoying my unique and latest beautiful styles ideas. So friends, I hope you like it, all my unique and different amazing collections and different latest embroidery frame, handmade table runner frame ideas and latest styles. So friends, keep enjoying my unique and latest beautiful pretty styles. Enjoy my videos and like my different amazing pretty collections. So friends, these embroidery styles are very pretty and latest collection, different styles ideas. So I hope you like it. This embroidery frame style. So friends, I hope you like it, all my unique and different latest beautiful pretty styles ideas. So friends, I hope you like all the unique and latest beautiful collections. So keep enjoying my unique and latest beautiful styles embroidery frame or unique and different latest pretty amazing collections. So friends, keep enjoying my unique and latest beautiful styles, all the unique and unique embroidery frame and different latest floral embroidery styles. Keep enjoying my unique latest ideas of bestly, all the unique and latest beautiful collection frame embroidery amazing collections, flower floral table runners pattern, part amazing bed sheets patterns, flowers patterns, amazing latest or decent styles or beautiful latest collections. So friends, these embroidery collections are very interesting and pretty. So I hope you like it, unique and latest beautiful styles on my YouTube channel. Keep enjoying my unique videos starting to end and connected with me. I hope you like all the unique and different latest pretty styles and unique amazing latest ideas. Take care friends, see you, Allah Hafiz.